Hello, welcome back to KaroYES Tech with me Vishal Chibber. This is Dell 7410. I'm sure आपने description में पढ़ लिया है. The cost is around about $3,000. Yes, जी हाँ, आपने सही सुना है. It is around about $3,000. डॉलर्स में इसलिए बता रहा हूँ क्योंकि ये जो मॉडल मेरे पास है ये इंडिया में अवेलेबल नहीं है. मेरे टूल्स मेरे पास तैयार हैं बड़े प्यार से डब्बा खोलने के लिए. And before the unboxing begins, please do like, subscribe and share, and I'm sure you will love the unboxing. And please do stay till the end of the video. आइए डब्बा खोलना शुरू करते हैं बड़े प्यार से. जब भी ऐसी कोई चीज मैं खोलता हूँ ना मेरा दिल ऐसे 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 होने लगता है. It's like the first date. You do know the specifications, but what you can expect or what you should expect, that remains unknown. Okay, now सबसे पहले इसमें से निकल रहा है पावर कॉर्ड. इसकी खास बात, it has a 65 watt type C charger. Okay, now we have the Dell 7410 user guide और manual कह लीजिए, basic instructions के साथ. Then now comes the moment of truth. ये आपको मैं थोड़ा पास से दिखाऊंगा. Just see these specifications up close and you can see the cost. It is close to $3,000. That is i7-10810U and it has Windows 10 Pro, 16 GB RAM, 512 GB SSD drive M2, and apart from that it has a 4K display that is not available in the versions that are supplied in India. बाकी चीजें काफी सारी स्टैंडर्ड रहती हैं. This is Dell 7410. Such premium finish. It has a Windows sticker hologram at the bottom. And ये ऊपर से, this is brushed aluminium. Trust me, जो आप लोग वीडियो में देख रहे हैं, it will not do justice to how the laptop is. And now इसको खोला जाए. खोलने से पहले, it's a very slim laptop and a very light one. And I'm sure I'm going to love this. Oh, थोड़ा पास में ये देखिए. And this opens up more than 180 degrees is what I will say. Very sturdy hinges. खास बात आप ये देखिए. It opens up like this. ज़्यादातर लैपटॉप्स के अंदर दिक्कत क्या होती है, जब हम ऐसे ओपन करने की कोशिश करते हैं पूरा लैपटॉप उठ जाता है. This is how a premium laptop works. एक उंगली से आप इसको ओपन कर सकते हैं. That is the beauty of design and that is the reason why it costs so much. देखिए, कहने की बात तो सिंपल सा ये है, करे यार वैसे नहीं खुला तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है. मर्सिडीज में और रोल्स रॉयस में जो फर्क होता है ना, वो यही होता है कि आपका दरवाजा कितना खूबसूरती से और कितना प्यार से बंद होता है और अंदर आवाज कितनी आती है. देखिए, छोटा सा ये दिया है, कैमरा इज ओपन, कैमरा इज कवर्ड. Powering it on for the first time. Okay. India. Okay, yes. Microsoft agreement. Dell का agreement. Accept. Password, I don't want to give a password. Online speech recognition, no. Find my device, okay, fine. Location, diagnostic data, no. Tailored experience, no. Advertising ID, no. No. Accept. I don't want to set up Cortana. I've connected the charger. And just ये बहुत ही खूबसूरत छोटी सी लाइट है जो कि चार्जिंग इंडिकेट कर रही है. Ta-da! This is the desktop. ये कुछ नया सा आइकन लग रहा है. This is the Dell optimizer. Okay, now it has express charge. Now, as far as the specifications of this laptop are concerned, this is Latitude 7410 Intel UHD graphics i7-10810U. This has a 6-core processor and a 16 GB RAM is what is there that this system has. It is a 14-inch laptop with a very minimalistic bezel. बहुत ही इसका पतला bezel है. And apart from that, Energy Star qualified. It has a UHD display. It has a 4K display, and that is one of the reasons why I've gone in for this one. Apart from that, it has a Type-C charger, जो मैंने आपको starting में दिखाया था. It has a Type-C 65-watt charger, aluminum chassis, M.2 GB SSD. Yes, M.2 GB SSD. It has a 4-cell 52-watt-hour battery. Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, and what else? It has Windows 10 Pro, and it has obviously the warranty with it. These are the basic specifications. As far as the usage is concerned, it has got a beautiful premium feel. It has a backlit keyboard. It has a beautiful trackpad, very smooth. It's a complete aluminum finish. It opens more than 180 degrees. And the reason why I go in for the professional series every time is because they can work for hours at end and days at end. And इसके अंदर जो ports हैं, on the right hand side we have 2 USB ports. These are USB 3.1. Along with that, one is the one has the power capability. That means it can supply power for charging of your devices. On the left hand side we have 2 Type-C ports, and we have 1 micro SD card slot, and we have 1 HDMI slot. It does not have LAN cable slot. RJ45 इसमें नहीं है. जो काम करिए Wi-Fi से ही करिए, तार लगाने की सोचिए भी नहीं. The Wi-Fi is really fast. It has Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1. I'm literally trying to use this and see. ये जो मैं अभी editing कर रहा हूँ, this video is going to be edited on this one. I keep my fingers crossed कि जो इतना पैसा खर्च किया है उसका proper कुछ वसूल कर पाऊँ मैं. Anyways, as far as the unboxing and the first expressions of Dell 7410 with Intel i7 10th generation processor are concerned, that was it from my side. For more, please do like, subscribe and share. If you want more videos, if you have any other questions in regards to this laptop, please feel free to ask. Thank you very much. Take care. God bless and Jai Hind.